Good day, guys. So I'll be doing tutorial video for you on how to use Microsoft Teams. So firstly, you have to go to Google Play Store. Wait. So once you are downloading the app, you can go on the search bar and search Microsoft soft. Wait. Okay, just Microsoft. Then it will appear. Then you have to press on Microsoft Teams, press install. Once you're done, open the app. So when you're a new user on the app, it will ask for your login information. I think that everyone has their information, your school's email account, the one that everyone was given, so you can use it to join Microsoft Teams. Whenever there's a meeting, it will appear right here on the app. Here's an example of ours. So as you can see here, this is Mr. K. He first welcomed me when I joined the app. So we were going to have a meeting. So he can also briefly explain to you on what the meeting is going to be about. And currently I don't have a meeting to show you on how to join, but it is similar to the Zoom app. Thank you, guys.